If you want to learn how to embed in GoDaddy, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you're trying to add an embedded form, a video, a map, or custom code to your site, the steps are very similar, and once you know where to click, it becomes much easier to manage your pages. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick website guides just like this one. Now let's jump in. The first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where you manage the content and layout of your website. Once you're inside the admin area, look for the page or post where you want to add the embed. You can do this by going to your pages or post section and opening the correct one from the list. After you open the page or post, click edit so you can make changes. This will take you into the editor where you can add new content blocks or insert custom elements into the page. If your goal is to embed code, you'll want to add an embed block in the right place. To do that, click the plus icon in the top left area of the editor. This opens the block inserter, which lets you search for different types of content blocks. In the search field, type embed. Once you see the embed box appear, drag and drop it into the page wherever you want the embedded content to show up. Next, paste your embed code into the box. This might be code from a form provider, a video platform, a calendar, or another service that gives you embed HTML. After pasting the code, click the embed button to confirm and load the content into the page. At this point, you should see the embedded element appear inside your page editor. Take a moment to make sure it looks correct and is placed in the right section of the page. If needed, you can move it up or down before saving so it fits naturally with the rest of your content. Once everything looks good, click Save. This is the final step that applies your changes to the page or post. After saving, you can preview the page to confirm that the embedded content is displaying properly on the live site. And that's it. You've now learned how to embed in GoDaddy through the WordPress editor. It's a quick process once you know where the page controls are, and it can help you add powerful content without needing to build everything manually. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.